Hi, Del Warren from Kegel Training Center. The tip today is to not only know how to train, but the key to getting fast results. Now, we live in a world of instant gratification, and people want to get to their goal immediately. So I'm going to give you the secret on how to get from here to here in anything that you want to do in bowling, all right? So I'm going to reference something called the Talent Code. The Talent Code is a book. If you go on YouTube, there's about a 7 or 8 minute little snippet about it, and you'll be able to see the essence of what I'm talking about, all right? But research suggests that anytime you're trying to learn a new skill, that the slower and more methodical you do it, the faster you're going to learn, up to 10 times faster. Now, some of you that have been here know that we're a drills-based teaching methodology, meaning that we break the skills that you need to be able to score, ball speed, timing, all the positions that we're talking about, release, can all be learned in drills. Now, most of us when we train, we try to do it the traditional way. So if we're working on something that has to do with timing, we're doing it with a bowling ball in our hand. And our results here at the training center and information from the Talent Code would suggest that the best way to do this in anything that you're going to learn is to do it very slowly. So for example, when we do a foul line drill, something as simple as mimicking the release position, there's a few things that you need to do. And we always do this initially without the bowling ball. So anything that you want to do safely and accurately in the very beginning, when you take that ball out of your hand and you do it in a way where you don't have to fear balance, or you're not certainly not trying to knock the pins over, it makes this much easier. And also you can do this at home, which I would argue is much more effective practice because you're not being distracted by what's going on in the bowling center. Okay? So, for example, the foul line drill. Walk up to the foul line to the dots, feet together, your right arm goes right in front of your right leg, your left arm goes straight out, really strong with your palm up, and you want to feel tension in the left shoulder. Now, right there in that segment was a lot of information that you have to do very slowly and methodically. And then once you're in this position, you go straight down to the floor and you look at your hand. We want our foot parallel left to the line of play. We want our trail leg almost directly behind us with our shoulder down and our elbow in. And I want my right wrist under my knee. So from right here, all I'm going to do is push up about 8 inches, fold my elbow on the way back, and release the ball. And I'm going to look at my hand. Now, what most people do is they take a bowling ball, they come up here and they do one of these and they let it go. And most of that was incorrect, what I just showed you. Or they try to do their finished position and try to get all of those positions while they're throwing a bowling ball. Well, chances are it doesn't work and you're going to struggle. So think of it as step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and you want to hit each one of those steps really perfectly and methodically. If you do this first without a bowling ball and you pay attention to detail, you're going to improve so much faster than normal practice, and as the Talent Code would suggest, up to 10 times. And for the parents out there that have kids that think they need to be in the bowling center, this is going to save you some money because you can do a lot of this at home in a mirror. Okay, so probably one of my most important points in terms of getting from here to here and getting to your goals much faster, train without a bowling ball and start with drills methodically and slowly, and check out the Talent Code.